Welcome. Today we're exploring the capital of Swarajya.
Swarajya? What was that?
Self-rule. Let me show you Raigad Fort. Wow, a strategic hilltop. Exactly, a center of power and vision.
Shivaji Maharaj's grand coronation ceremony took place here, marking the rise of a sovereign Hindu kingdom after centuries. Built at around 2,700 feet above sea level, Raigad is surrounded by steep cliffs, making it nearly impossible to invade.
To reach the top, one must climb around 1,700 steps, a true test of endurance and determination. The fort's architecture reveals advanced planning, with palaces, markets, and water systems integrated into the mountain.
Raigad Fort is the final resting place of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, making it a sacred place for millions of. Every structure, from watchtowers to escape routes, was built with military intelligence and foresight. Raigad is not just a fort. It is the heartbeat of Swarajya and the legacy of fearless leadership. हा किल्ला फक्त दगडांचा नाही. हा किल्ला आहे स्वाभिमानाचा, त्यागाचा आणि पराक्रमाचा.
मावळ्यांच्या रक्ताने पवित्र झालेल्या या मातीत प्रत्येक दगड सांगतो, लढा अन्यायाविरुद्ध, उभे रहा सत्यासाठी. जिथे स्वराज्याची प्रेरणा आणि भविष्याची निर्मिती एकत्र येते. एमबीटाई इन्व्हेस्टर मध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. या तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर करून आपण भविष्य दृष्टी